Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix local drive E is not accessible, or the file or directory is corrupted or unreadable on your external hard drive or USB. You need to open command prompt, go to start and type in command prompt and run as administrator. Now paste the code here and I provide in the video description. CHKDSK space /f, then space and drive letter of your USB. Here is USB, my drive letter is G, and then hit enter. This will check the disk and it will may fix your problem. Subscribe the channel and thank you for watching the video.